severe thunderstorm
Oh, come on.
375 remains in effect until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, Livingston, McHenry.
There it goes. Great. Oh, there we go.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Cook County in northeast Illinois, eastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, northern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:12 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Huntley to Somonauk and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Here we go again.
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Damage is likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sandwich and Gilbert around 6:20 p.m. Little Rock and Sleepy Hollow around 6:25 p.m. West Dundee and Sugar Grove around 6:30 p.m. Yorkville and St. Charles around 6:35 p.m. Wayne and Streamwood around 6:40 p.m. West Chicago and Oswego around 6:45 p.m. This includes northwestern portions of the city of Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA's weather radar.